Here's one for you to try. We have 8/3 x plus 1 less than or equal to 0, or negative 2x less than negative 4. Pause the video, try this on your own, and we'll compare notes on the other side. Okay, we want to solve each of these mini equations here for x, right? So let's see here. I'm thinking we should subtract 1 from both sides. This gives us 8/3 less than or equal to negative 1. Make that 8/3 x less than or equal to negative 1. And then we multiply by the reciprocal to get x by itself. So 3/8 goes here and right here. So we have x less than or equal to negative 3/8. Okay, so that's part of it here. Now on this other side, we just divide by negative 2. X greater than 2. Now, did you remember to change the direction of that inequality? Anytime you divide across an inequality by a negative, or multiply for that matter, you have to change the direction of that inequality. Okay, so this became x greater than 2. Okay, so we have two things going on here. We have x less than or equal to negative 3/8, x greater than or equal to 2, and this is still an or in between them. So that means anything that shows up in either of these two wings of this will be included in our answer. Let's go straight to the interval notation here. We have all of the numbers less than or equal to negative 3/8. So that's going to take us all the way down to negative infinity, and then we use a comma to represent all the numbers in between, and then we're stopping at negative 3/8. And then I'm going to use a hard bracket there because we're including that 3/8 because of this equal sign on the inequality. Or, okay, or means we skip over the stuff in the middle, but we're still including both sides of it. Here we have x greater than 2, so that tells me that we're starting at 2. This time I'm not including the number 2 itself, so I'm going to use a soft bracket because we don't have an equal sign here under the inequality. And then we go off to infinity. There we go.